Wheat flour, degerminated yellow cornmeal, sugar, animal shortening, lard, hydrogenated lard, something tocopherols preservative, BHT preservative, citric acid preservative. Contains 2% of each of the following: baking soda. You guys, I can't even go on with this. It's how many ingredients? It's just absurd. And this is like stuff that most of us have been using. As you can see, it's been around since 1930. Oh, good heavens. I bet you back then, though, they didn't have all the stuff that they've got in it now. Let's just ditch this and let's make our own. It's so easy to make your own corn muffin cornbread mix. Just need a few ingredients and let's go. All right, so the first ingredient we need is flour. And we're going to need 1.3 cups today. So let's get that going. That's 1/2 cup. My jar only allows me to use 1/2 cup so at a time. So that's 1 cup. And let's get that third in there. All right, we're going to need 1 cup of cornmeal. I got this from Amazon. I can't find it in my grocery stores, but it's organic, just like my flour, so I'm thinking that's a really good thing. Let me just level that off. So like I said, 1 cup of that. Next, we need 1/4 cup of sugar. Looks like I forgot to bring that over to the table. Sorry about that. We'll get that going right here. 1/4 cup of sugar. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And what this recipe is this is the equivalent of 2 boxes of Jiffy Mix. Now you guys, that's it. The recipe, the written recipe, is on divineappetit.com, so you can go there and you can grab that. In the meantime, all you have to do is whisk all these ingredients together. Just do that really, really well. Make sure that it's mixed together. And then we're going to store this in a 1-quart jar and just put it in your pantry. Just make sure that it's in a dry place. And this should last you anywhere in the pantry, anywhere from 6 months to a year. Again, depending on your moisture levels and whatnot. But how easy was that? So next time you find a recipe that you want to make and it requires Jiffy cornbread mix, just go ahead and use what you've got in your pantry. Have a blessed day.